Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to lock a specific sheet within Google Sheets. This process is very straightforward, so just follow these steps. First, open the spreadsheet and navigate to the tab you want to protect. For example, if you are working on the second sheet, right-click its tab at the bottom and select the Protect Sheet option from the menu. In the panel that appears, you can enter a description or specify a range. To lock the entire sheet, simply select the Sheet tab. You can also choose to exclude certain cells if you want them to remain editable. Once you have configured these settings, click on Set Permissions. Here, you can restrict editing access by choosing Only You from the drop-down menu. If there are multiple collaborators, you can select Custom to manage individual access or even copy permissions from a different range. Finally, click Done to save your changes. Your sheet is now secured and restricted to your authorized users. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more guides. I will see you in the next tutorial.